Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. We have 4 to the power of m equal to 44. How do we solve for the value of m in this challenge? These are simple exponential equations that can be solved in split seconds. So the question is 4 to the power of m equal to 44. Now, if you check the right-hand side of the equation, we cannot express this in base 4. And so what we do, we think of reducing this figure here. So we can rewrite the right-hand side as we have a 4 to the power of m, and now be equal to, rewriting this is going to give us our 4 times 11. So from here, we either take log to base 10 or we take log to base 4, or we can equally take ln base e, right? Good. But here I want to take log to base 4 for faster work. So here we're going to have here log 4 to the power of m base 4. This is equal to log 4 times 11 in bracket base 4, right? But here we have the multiplication law of logarithm playing out, and here we have same base playing out. Here we have power law of logarithm also playing out. So we're going to make use of 3 laws to this. So the first law, we're going to have the power law, which says that if you have the log of let's say a raised to the power of x, says move this power back here, and so this is going to give us our x times the log of a. Simple, right? Good. So the multiplication law says that if you have the log of your a times your b, okay, then this is equals to log your a plus log your b. This is the multiplication law, right? Now the expression, this format is what we have here, so we'll convert it to this format. Then the third law we're going to make use of is called the same base law, which says that if you have the log of a base a, this is equal to 1. We call this the same base law. So let's go ahead and apply the first one to this. So this is going to give us our m times the log of 4 base 4 equal to, apply the multiplication law, we're going to have log 4 base 4 plus log 11 base 4. Right. So from here, what we do, we apply the same base law to this here. So this is going to give us 1. This is going to give us 1. So we're going to have 1 times m will give us m equal to, here we're going to have 1 plus our log 11 base 4. Right? Good. So let's continue on this side. Wow. Now check out this here now. Here, we want to convert to base 10. And there is a law which says that if you have your log a base b, and you want to change this base to base c, this is going to give us here log a base c all over log b base c. This is what we call change of base law. Okay, so we can change it here or we can rewrite it here. So we're going to have here, therefore, the value of m is equal to 1 plus log our 11 base 10 all over log our 4 base 10. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. And so we're going to have our 1 plus log 11 base 10 all over log 2 to the power of 2 base our 10. So we apply the power law again by moving this backward. So if we do that, we're going to have, therefore, our m will now be equal to 1 plus our log 11 base 10 all over this other side. We're going to have 2 times log 2 base 10. So we can impute this in our calculator to get our log 11 and get our log 2 here. So if we divide everything here, add it to this, we're going to have approximately 2.7192, something of that nature, right? Yeah, so we're going to have 2.7197. And when you impute that into this system, it's going to give you an approximate value. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the class. This is the value of m that satisfies the original equation. Thank you for being there all the time. See you in our next class. Bye for now.